Defining regression exercise. Regression exercise are modified version of exercise that are easier and more accessible for individuals. Ang regression exercise ay isang modified na exercise na mas pinadali and mas accessible para sa mga taong hirap gawin yung mga full version of exercises dahil sa lack of strength, mobility, or injury. Ang madalas na gumagawa ng mga regression exercises yung mga beginners, yung mga taong nagre-recover from injury, and yung mga taong limited yung abilities nila. This exercise help to reduce the intensity and complexity of the original exercise. Ang exercise na ito ay nababawasan yung intensity and complexity ng isang original exercise. Pero hindi ibig sabihin lang na iba yung outcome ng full version exercise sa regression exercise. Same lang sila ng outcome na napapalakas yung physical strength nila and yung fitness levels nila habang minimize yung risk of injury or strain.
Regression exercise is ito yung mga exercises na nagpapabalik sa dating mong fitness level or sa dating fitness level ng isang individual. Parang pag-rehab or pag-recover mula sa injury or matagal na pahinga. So, ang layunin ng regression exercise is mabilis ang pag-recover ng isang individual mula sa injury at mabalik yung dating fitness level mo. Samantala, ang progression exercise naman, ito yung mga exercises na nagpapaangat ng fitness level ng isang individual at mas mahirap at mas mataas naman yung intensity nito. Ang layunin ng progression exercise is palakasin at paunlarin ang pangangatawan ng isang individual.
Principles of progression exercise. The principles of progression exercise are: the primary principle of progression exercise is safety. The exercise should be modified in a way that reduces the risk of injury or strain. The exercise modification should be appropriate for the individual's fitness level, injury history, and medical conditions. Sinasabi dito na ang ehersisyo ay dapat mabago sa isang paraan na nakakabawas sa panganib ng pinsala o pilay. Ang pagbabago sa ehersisyo ay dapat na angkop para sa antas ng fitness ng individual at mga kondisyong medikal. Regression exercises should allow individuals to gradually progress to the full version of the exercise over time. This means that the exercise modification should be challenging but not overwhelming. As the individual's fitness level and strength improve, the exercise can be further progress. Sinasabi naman dito na ang mga pagsanay sa pagbabalik ay dapat pahintulutan ng ang mga individual na unti-unting umunlad sa buong version ng ehersisyo sa paglipas ng panahon. Nangangahulugan ito na ang pagbabago sa ehersisyo ay dapat na mahirap ngunit hindi napakalaki, habang ang antas ng fitness at lakas ng individual ay bumuti, ang ehersisyo ay maaaring higit pang isulong. Regression exercise must be customized based on an individual's unique requirements and objectives. The adjustment to the exercise must be designed to match the person's fitness capacity, injury record, and medical problems. Sinasabi naman dito na ang mga pagsanay sa regression ay dapat i-customize batay sa mga natanging pangangailangan at layunin ng isang individual. Ang pagsasaayos sa ehersisyo ay dapat na idisenyo upang tumugma sa kapasidad ng fitness ng tao, record ng pinsala at mga problemang medikal. Exercise modification should target the same muscles and movement patterns as the full version of the exercise. This means that the exercise modification should be selected based on the demands of the full exercise while still being safe and appropriate for the individual. Sinasabi dito na dapat i-target ng pagbabago sa ehersisyo ang parehong mga kalamnan at mga pattern ng paggalaw bilang ang buong version ng ehersisyo. Nangangahulugan ito na ang pagbabago sa ehersisyo ay dapat piliin batay sa mga hinihingi ng buong ehersisyo habang ligtas at nakangkop pa rin para sa individual. Individual should receive feedback on their form and technique while performing the exercise modification. This feedback should be used to help the individual maintain proper form and lower the potential for injury or strain. Ang sinasabi naman dito na ang individual ay dapat makatanggap ng feedback sa kanilang anyo at pamamaraan habang ginagawa ang pagbabago ng ehersisyo. Ang feedback na ito ay dapat gamitin upang matulungan ang individual na mapanatili ang tamang anyo at mapababa ang potential para sa pinsala o strain. Example na lang dito, parang yung kapag nag-gym ka, tapos may nakita sa'yo na mali yung form mo, tuturuan ka nila ng tamang form para maiwas ka sa injury, ganon. Ay.
Benefits of regression exercise. Regression exercise offers several benefits that can help reduce the risk of injury or strain during exercise while also assisting individual in building confidence and gradually advancing to more challenging exercise. Ang regression exercise raw ay isang uri ng exercise na tumutukoy sa pagbabalik o pag-step back sa madaling version na isang galaw o workout upang mapabuti ang forma, teknika at lakas.
Let's talk about how to conduct a regression exercise. Regression exercises are a temporary measure to help an individual build strength, improve techniques, and increase confidence. The goal is to gradually progress to more challenging exercise as the individuals become more comfortable and proficient. Regression exercises are essential in physical fitness as they allow individuals to participate in exercise that might otherwise be challenging. By modifying exercise, individuals can build a strong foundation, improve technique, and reduce the risk of injury. Step to conduct regression exercise. The first one, identify the exercise to modify. Determine the exercise that needs to be modified for a particular individual or group. Consider factors such as fitness level, experience, and physical limitations. Demonstrate the modified exercise. Show the individuals or group how to perform the modified exercise, emphasizing proper form and technique.
Good day everyone! This page is discuss regression and progression exercise and help prevents injuries. So, ano nga ba ang regression exercise? Ito ay para sa mga taong limitado yung galaw, lakas, or may mga iniindang injury. Layunin ito para maiwasan yung injury at maging ligtas ang pag-e-exercise. Ito yung mga halimbawa ng exercise, ng regression exercise. Number 1 is body weight squat, partial room split squat, torso elevated push-up, cat camel, and torso elevated plank. While yung progression exercise, ito na yung mga heavy exercise like yung barbell squat, Swiss bull push-up, inverted row. Ito naman yung exercise na to is unti-unti pinapalakas yung katawan para ma-achieve yung mas mataas na level ng fitness.